Hey, Carmen works here. We got another one here. We got some rust damage, and this is a close friend of mine, so I usually don't do a lot of rust, but I'm gonna do a little bit on this one. So let me show it to you. So most of this is from, they replaced this bedside, and all the welded areas, they didn't restore the corrosion in it, and you can see the whole wheelhouse. You can see where the welds went. There's even some in here. Oh, you really can't see it. See right there? All that. That's where the welds are. There's one down there, and then there's one right here. And obviously there's some down here because there was a weld down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grind this stuff off and throw a corrosion protection kind of like a DP40 sealer, so it seals up the metal, and then we'll apply just a little bit of body work just to any kind of like pits and stuff like that, and go from there. This rust is a little worse than I thought. Just take a look. You can see my little finger right there. So we're gonna go cut a little piece out of the junkyard and section it in, because it's pretty bad. And check out this little speaker one of my guys I work with made. Let's see. He just soldered all this stuff together in a little soap box. It's got the little battery, and there's a Bluetooth. I don't know if it's that one or that one, and some speakers. And he shuts it off, just closes it up, then turns it on. There it goes. I'm gonna put that piece in there right there and weld it in there, and then I'm gonna restore all the corrosion protection. And then I got a piece here that I'm gonna section in there and flatten it out. I love these hot and spices. It's like I can't stop eating them. So that's what it looks like. I got that inner piece in there. I'm going to grind it down, restore some corrosion, and then I'm going to work on that outer panel. So here's the piece. I'm going to put half of it in there because I had to make one. And then what I do is I just start it right here on this angle, and then I'm going to get it lined up and weld it in. And then I got this other piece from another piece of sheet metal, and then I'll section it in there. But it's a little slow going with this rust stuff. All right, we got this sucker welded. Check it out. Put a couple of spot welds on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and start grinding on all those welds, get them flat, and then I might have to just pull it. Looks like it's sunk in just a little bit right here and here. I'll put a little pull on that, and then put some fiberglass down, seal all the holes from the welds, and then a little bit of filler, and we'll be good to go. Hey there, feeling a little rough right now. This rust kind of was a lot more than I thought it was going to be. But I got it done. We put a little bit of fiberglass in there to seal the welds, and then put a coat of filler on there to get it straight again, and then just put a light coat of polyester in there to fix any little pinholes and imperfections are on it. Looks like it's pretty good. And then after that, what I did was put a little guide coat on there and then block it with 180. So my primer is going to lay down on here with 3 coats, and it's going to shrink evenly into this primer. And I'll show you this other one we painted here. We don't get a lot of scratches in the paint. So this one here, we put a section in right through here, and you can see that there's no scratches anywhere. And I think that's, for me, what I found is as long as you leave it in 180, you take all those 80 and 120 and 40, God forbid, scratches out of there, it comes out pretty smooth. So we're gonna get some primer on this and keep going. Little seam sealer, and then some corrosion protection. And then we also had to cut these bolts out. There's 3 of them, and he's drilling this one out right now. We just drilled that one out, and then we got to do that one too. So this job has really kind of gotten out of control. So we're trying to reel it back in and get on to the next one. So we'll keep you updated. What are you doing down there?
I don't know. I'm fucking shit up. Look at that. I can't get that thing off.
Oh, tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. Some glue. There's some glue down there, and it's not cooperating. We're trying to get it off.
I'm gonna sand it right through it. So
She's gonna sand right through it. We'll just put some sealer on it. But we got it all primed, sanded with some 320, blocked with 320 and 500, and hopefully this sucker lays down nice and we can get rid of it tomorrow. Cool. It's kind of hard to see in the light though, huh? How about that one? They're gonna be really happy, and so will I. Another one down the road. See ya.